name's Dev. Today, part 4 of the animal battle. The animal characters are right here. So, I will tell you the characters. The eagle, the fox, the snow leopard, the crocodile, the sea lion, the rabbit. Almost the name is like raptor, but rabbit, duck, sea turtle, and finally the orca. So I'll set up the fight. 1 second, guys. Get out of here. Today the battle is between the rabbit and the duck. So I'll be back when I set up these. I'll set up the fight. I'll be back, guys. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Bro, why did you push me? Quack, 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 quack.